Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be sharing how to log into your Origin account online on your computer. And now let's start writing. Now to log into your Origin account on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in origin.com like this and hit on enter, or you can just simply search for Origin account login like this and hit on enter. And on the second result of the Google Chrome, you can see there is the ea.com. May I remind you that origin.com has been changed to the ea.com permanently, and but still if we type the origin.com website over here first when we had opened our Google Chrome, but also the website has been changed to ea.com. You can see even though we had typed the origin.com, similarly over here this is from the Google result itself, so there is the ea.com only. With that being said guys, both of these pages are same, so let's close one of these. Now in order to log into your Origin account or your ea account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the profile button available. Click on that profile button like this and click on sign in, and then you'll be taken to the login panel of the EA or the Origin like this, where you'll be required to enter your email address with which you have signed up for an EA account like this, and then enter your password. Or you can also simply log into your Origin account or your EA account with your phone number or your Gmail, Facebook, Apple, Steam, Xbox, or your PlayStation accounts from whichever you want to. With that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, but if you have forgotten your password, you can see there is the forgot your password button available over here. If you click on that forgot your password button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you can retrieve or reset your password. And you can see guys, you can also create your Origin or your EA account from over here. With that being said guys, after entering your email and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be signed into your Origin or your EA account online. And there guys, this is how you log into your Origin account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.